Practicing mindfulness can have numerous benefits for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations in the present moment, without judgment. It involves intentionally paying attention to the present moment, cultivating a sense of calm and clarity. The benefits of practicing mindfulness can be profound and can positively impact various aspects of our lives. One of the primary benefits of mindfulness is its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. By focusing our attention on the present moment, we can let go of worries about the past or future, allowing us to experience a sense of calm. Mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing or body scan exercises, can activate the body's relaxation response, leading to decreased stress levels and a greater sense of well-being. Furthermore, mindfulness can improve our mental health and well-being. Regular mindfulness practice has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment or attachment, we can gain a greater understanding of our inner experiences and develop a more balanced perspective. Mindfulness can also help us cultivate self-compassion and acceptance, promoting a positive relationship with ourselves. In addition to its impact on mental health, mindfulness can also enhance our cognitive abilities. Research shows that mindfulness practices can improve attention, focus, and concentration. By training our minds to stay present and focused, we can become more attentive and less prone to distractions. This can be particularly beneficial in academic or professional settings, where concentration and productivity are essential. Moreover, practicing mindfulness can improve our relationships with others. By being fully present and attentive in our interactions, we can develop deeper connections and empathy. Mindfulness can help us become more aware of our own reactions and emotions in relationships, allowing us to respond more skillfully and compassionately. It can also promote effective communication and reduce conflict. As we become more attuned to the needs and perspectives of others, mindfulness can also have physical health benefits. It has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce chronic pain, and improve sleep quality. By cultivating a state of present moment awareness and relaxation, mindfulness practices can positively impact our physiological responses, promoting overall health and well-being. Furthermore, practicing mindfulness can enhance our overall quality of life. By being fully present in each moment, we can savor and appreciate the simple joys and experiences in our lives. Mindfulness allows us to slow down and fully engage with our surroundings, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. It can help us find meaning and purpose in our daily activities, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and happiness. Additionally, mindfulness can be practiced anywhere and at any time. It does not require any special equipment or a significant time commitment. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing or observing sensations can make a difference in our well-being. Mindfulness can be integrated into our daily routines, such as during meals, while walking, or during moments of solitude. In conclusion, practicing mindfulness can have numerous benefits for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It can reduce stress, improve mental health, enhance cognitive abilities, and promote better relationships. Mindfulness also has physical health benefits and can enhance our overall quality of life. By cultivating a state of present moment awareness and non-judgmental observation, we can experience greater calm, clarity, and contentment in our lives. Mindfulness is a simple and accessible practice that can be integrated into our daily lives, allowing us to reap its many benefits.